AMP value equivalent to $0.0020 a coin. The present reach, $0.0020. $0.0020. The earlier day close, $0.0020. The change was 0.0000. 0.00%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 AMP cost forecast for August 2023. To start with cost at $0.0022. Greatest cost $0.0027. Least cost $0.0018. The normal for the month $0.0022. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0019. Change for August 13.6%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0019. Most extreme cost $0.0020. Least cost $0.0012. The normal for the month $0.0017. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0018. Change for September 5.3%. AMP cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $0.0018. Most extreme cost $0.0021. Least cost $0.0018. The normal for the month $0.0019. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0020. Change for October 11.1%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.0020. Greatest cost $0.0020. Least cost $0.0016. The normal for the month $0.0018. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0017. Change for November 15.0%. AMP cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.0017. Greatest cost $0.0017. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for December 17.6%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset cost at $0.0014. Most extreme cost $0.0014. Least cost $0.0012. The normal for the month $0.0013. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0013. Change for January 7.1%. AMP cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0013. Most extreme cost $0.0013. Least cost $0.0010. The normal for the month $0.0012. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0011. Change for February 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $0.0011. Most extreme cost $0.0014. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0012. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0013. Change for spring 18.2%. AMP cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0013. Greatest cost $0.0016. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0014. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0015. Change for April 15.4%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.0015. Most extreme cost $0.0015. Least cost $0.0012. The normal for the month $0.0014. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0013. change for May 13.3%, AMP cost expectation for June 2024, before all else cost at $0.0013, most extreme cost $0.0013, least cost $0.0010, the normal for the month $0.0012, AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0011, change for June 15.4%, AMP to United States dollars expectations for July 2024, in the first place cost at $0.0011, greatest cost $0.0012, least cost $0.0010, the normal for the month $0.0011, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0011, change for July 0.0%. AMP cost expectation for August 2024, first and foremost cost at $0.0011, greatest cost $0.0011, least cost $0.0008, the normal for the month $0.0010, AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0009, change for August 18.2%. USD to AMP swapping scale equivalent to 502.51 amps per $1. The present reach, 492.61 to 502.51. The earlier days nearby, 497.51, change for now plus 5.00, plus 1.01%. AMP cost expectation for October 2025, at the outset cost at $0.0010, most extreme cost $0.0010, least cost $0.0008, the normal for the month $0.0009, AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0009, change for October 10.0%, AMP to United States dollars expectations for November 2025, initially cost at $0.0009, most extreme cost $0.0011, least cost $0.0009, the normal for the month $0.0010, AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0010, change for November 11.1%, AMP cost expectation for December 2025, in the first place cost at $0.0010, greatest cost $0.0011, least cost $0.0009, the normal for the month $0.0010, AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0010, change for December 0.0%, AMP to United States dollars expectations for January 2026, first and foremost cost at $0.0010, greatest cost $0.0010, least cost $0.0007, the normal for the month $0.0009, AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0008, change for January 20.0%, AMP cost expectation for February 2026, at the outset cost at $0.00